very happy morning to all dear students. And as usual, wish, but from the bottom of our heart. So don't go with the words, go with the feelings. Since long, every day in the morning, wishing very good morning. At the end of the session, wishing a very happy time, have a nice day. See, we are habituated of it. But so many times I say, the morning must be happy if it is actually the morning time. Okay? Normally, if we are departing in the afternoon, we can't say good night. In the same way, if we are meeting in the afternoon, good morning will not be applicable. So in that case, you must say that wishes to yourself. Whatever is applicable to you, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is. Okay? Even in some cases, I observed, it may be a new word, good late evening, because the student is watching our lecture almost at 8 o'clock in the evening. Yes. And bindas they are sharing also. That sir, I watched your lecture just now. It's really a great thing. It's not an achievement, no, Manuel. If you say that sir, I watched your lecture at sharp at 9:10, I feel pleased. But then I came to know that 9:10, that 9:15 is of night, PM, not AM. But please, bachalo, it's not the way of studying. At least daily total, you may feel shocked, but it's a fact. At least daily total 8 to 10 hours work is must for a board student. Now it depends on you. If you are feeling that you are 12th board student, then you must work like this. Or else, when the board exams will be there, nearer to that, at that time, the tension starts. But no alternate at that time. Okay? So, do start studying properly. Clear? Let's continue with question number. Last time we did question 10. So, this is question number 11. One more question connected with closing capital. Okay? As usual, normal habit. A simple question, look wise. Because only 4 adjustments. But really, these all 4 are very, very good adjustments. Let's go through it. Moon, star, and sun. So, journeying in space shuttle. Moon, star, and sun are the partners of a farm. Sun retires on 31/3/17. Moon and star will distribute future profit and loss in the ratio of 5:1. Take care, new ratio is already given in the above instruction. Normally we used to find such in the below given adjustments. Balance sheet of their firm as on 31/3/17 was as under. On the liability side, nothing new, capital, general reserve, creditors, bills payable. On the asset side, building, machinery, furniture, stock, debtors and bank. Very, very, very simple. In my normal pattern, I can say pure vanilla question. Pure vanilla balance sheet. Pure vanilla means no obstacles. Pure, smooth. But the adjustments are really good enough. Conditions of retirement. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 60,000. That is very okay. Itself, obviously. Second, creditors. For the first time you are facing this kind of adjustment. creditors payable after 1 month are to be paid immediately at 12% discount per annum. Creditors payable after 1 month are to be paid immediately at 12% discount per annum. So, second adjustment in creditors. Third, computer. Return off from the books is now valued at 12,000. We already write off computer, and that's why it is not on the asset side. But now it is valued at 12,000. Moon will take over the computer at that value. So that is valued at 12,000, and that is also taken over by one of the partner. Fourth, after retirement of Sun, obviously third adjustment itself you can say. Fourth, after retirement of Sun, Moon and Star will maintain their capital in the new bearer ratio. New bearer ratio is 5:1, and difference is to be transferred to bank account. If you remember, बच्चे लोग, friends, in my last session I said that there are two options. There are two options for closing capital issue. One, difference transfer to current account, which we already saw in our last session. Second, difference transfer to cash or bank account, which we are doing in this question. Okay? So net only two options, current account or cash or bank account. And question number 10 and 11, these two are enough to clear the concept of current account and cash and bank account. Okay? So go through these two questions frequently. Clear? Let's start. From the liability side, capital account, Moon, Star and Sun, 1,60,000, 2 lakh and 1,80,000 by balance brought forward 1,60,000, 2 lakh and 1,80,000. 1,60,000, 2 lakh, 1,80,000. Okay? General reserve 90,000 is P&L ratio is not given, it is equally 1:1:1 by general reserve 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. Okay. Next one. Creditors. A very good adjustment. A very good adjustment. Normally what we used to do? Whenever creditors is there, we used to write partners, capital account and so on and so on, liability side. On liability side. But here what they say, creditors are to be paid after 1 month. But we are paying at present. Now understand, because we are paying at present, creditor will not be there in liability side. Because we are already paying them. Okay? But because we are paying earlier, 12% discount per annum we are going to receive. First of all, creditors we are paying. Okay? If you want to give adjustment event, you can give like that. First of all, partners capital account. Okay. Sun is retiring, so Moon and Star, only two partners left as usual. Moon and Star. Okay? Now, creditors, which is not required. Just if you do it, if you do this working note, that is also very okay. But if you are not going to do this, then also it's okay because outer column 0. When our outer column is 0, always no need to do that working note. Creditors, how much? It is 60,000 rupees, I think so. Let me check again. Creditors, yes, it is 60,000. Now they say 12% per annum discount. Here, after 1 month we are going to pay. So discount of 1 month only. Less discount. That is 600. Why 600? Because for 12 months it is 12%. So for 1 month, 1%. And 1% of 60,000, that is 600. Okay? 59,400. Less paid. 59,400. Auto column dash. Okay? Now, discount. Liability reduce. So, credit side. By creditors, 600 rupees. And paying cash to creditors, cash goes out. By creditors, 59,400. Is that okay? Check price. Check price, it's a very, very good adjustment. It's a very good adjustment. Next one. Bills payable, 10,000. I'm not removing this. But again, let me tell you, if you don't want to do this, it is okay. Condition applied. You must understand the concept properly. Here, 2 entries must be there. Okay? Bills payable, no adjustment. Bills payable, the amount is 10,000. Now from the asset side, liabilities are completed. Building, machinery, actually no adjustment, you know. Building, machinery, furniture, stove, debtors, bank. No adjustment on any of the things. So building 2,40,000, machinery 1,30,000, building 2,40,000. Machinery that is 1,30,000. See, this kind of things, obviously you can increase your speed also very much because there is no adjustment, no need to think anything. Furniture 80,000, stock 45,000. Furniture 80,000, stock 45,000. Now, debtors 30,000. And bank. Here bank amount is 1,75,000. So to balance brought forward. $1,75,000. Is it okay? As usual, we have completed the entire balance sheet entries. Just go through it specifically I can say the adjustment of creditors. Go through that adjustment once, twice, thrice. ત્રણ વખત જોવું પડે તો ત્રણ વખત જોજો, but that adjustment is really very nice. In that adjustment, see, you may feel what is nice in that adjustment. First of all, the most important portion, see, you have to consider your exam situation, not at present. At present it is very okay. You are sitting smoothly with ease at your home and watching this lecture with relaxation, with relaxed mind. Barabar? But actually in exams it will not be like that. So in exams, when they say 12% per annum, people used to do 12% of 60,000. So they consider discount to be 7,200. Right over here 7,200, and after deducting 7,200, they consider 52,800 as payment to creditors. Now the problem is, see where I am having the problem. I am also a human being, you are also a human being. Mistake may occur, but in accounts, if you are doing mistake in any adjustment, then the problem is, a very big problem is, you can never come to know about the mistake because the total will get balanced. Being side, total tomorrow balance થઈ જશે. So what you used to feel that 8 out of 8, but from revaluation onwards it's wrong. Okay, so for adjustments do take very much care. Clear? Now only 4 adjustments. One we already cleared of creditors, only 3 left. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 60,000. Okay, first of all, as you know that at the end of the balance sheet, what we have to do? Adjustments related to revaluation account. Okay? Goodwill of the firm, we are not connected with revaluation account. Second, creditors payable, we already completed. Third, computer, an important one. Computer, written off from books is now valued at 12,000. Moon will take over the computer at this value. First of all, can I say asset increase? Because computer comes in the book which was 0 at present. Okay, asset increased by 12,000. So over here, by computer 12,000. See, take care. We are actually not considering it as an asset. Let me give you the effect. Afterwards, I am going to remove it. Okay? You are not supposed to do these things. Take care. How to do it? Computer 12,000. So this asset increase we did over here. Then let's take our $12,000 and our column dash. And that's why I'm saying you are not supposed to do. Taken over by Moon. So in Moon's capital account, debit side to computer 12,000. Now some of the students may have a problem. Sir, how can we come to know whether it's on debit side or credit side? बच्चे लोग Asset decrease means cross. Asset increase means straight. Liability decrease cross. Liability increase straight. Nothing else. Nothing else. This is the rule of fourth chapter actually, but not applicable to revaluation account only. It is applicable to cash account, it is applicable to capital account, each and every account. Each and every account. Yes, it's a promise from my end. You go and check wherever you want to go. Every time, whenever asset decrease, cross, increase, straight. Same with liabilities. Is that clear? For example, here liability decrease, cross means credit side, you can check. Liability decrease, cross means credit side, you can check. Okay, first of all here, for computer, asset increase means straight, you can check. Now asset decreased, taken over, so asset becomes zero. Asset decrease, cross, you can check. Okay? So please take care. If you understand this rule perfectly, straight and cross, everything becomes very, very, very smooth. Clear? But it's all depends on you, not on me. Okay? Because you are supposed to give exam. And obviously mark sheet will be of yours. Okay? So this is computer. Is that clear? Now let me remove this because even you are also not supposed to do this thing. Okay? Computer removed from the book. Now, here fourth adjustment connected with closing capital. So net what I wanted to say is we completed the balance sheet. We completed certain adjustments also connected with revaluation. So now we have to close revaluation account and transfer profit or loss in partner's capital account. 12,600. The same amount. Nothing on debit side. So entire one is in profit. Okay. So to capital account. All three name Moon, Star and Sun. Moon 4,200 because equal ratio 12,600 divided by 3. Divide by 3. So 4,200, 4,200, 4,200. Okay? And in revaluation opposite by, in capital account opposite, I'm sorry, by revaluation, $4,200, $4,200, again the same amount. Okay, is that clear? Now, one familiar, another one entirely new. Familiar one is goodwill. Here, goodwill value is 60,000, as they say in first adjustment. But the important thing is they already gave new ratio also. So first of all, let's find again new ratio. Old ratio and new ratio are the first old ratio. Let's write old ratio. And please take care. I need this space for the working note of closing capital also. So once I am doing this working note of gain and goodwill, afterwards I am going to remove it. And we are going to use the same space for the working note of closing capital. but you without fail do both the working out of goodwill as well as of closing capital. Old ratio. A very common one. 1:1:1. New ratio. 5:1. They already said in the instruction. Okay? So again, with the formula, new ratio minus old ratio. Okay? So 2, that is moon. Do write in chronological order. Otherwise, ratio will get changed. Moon 1, new ratio 5/6, 1/6, minus 1/3, 1/3. Here we can use that particular pattern of pairing the things with common denominator 6. So 5 minus 2. To make this one 1/3, to make 3 6, we have to multiply with 2. So 2/6. Net it is 3/6. And over here, again 6, 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1/6, which is known as sacrifice. Is that okay? Check twice. Because here star is sacrificing, and if any partner is sacrificing, then naturally goodwill is to be credited to that partner. So here goodwill total amount 60,000 rupees. Okay, we have to find goodwill of two partners. One, retiring partner's son. Second, of star, who is sacrificing. So son's share equals to 60,000 into 1/3, 20,000 rupees. And star share equals to 60,000. Take care, we have to make sacrifice share 1/6, so 10,000. Okay, is there any problem? Check twice. Clear? Do this working out properly. Now about the entry. What journal entry is to be passed? Gaining partners, capital account debited. Here, Moon's capital account debited rupees 30,000 to Son's capital account retiring partner 20,000 to Star's capital account sacrificing partner 10,000. Okay, so let's do the entry. Moon's capital account debited, but credit 2. So 2, Son's capital account in Moon column 20,000. Again 2, Star capital account 10,000 moon column, and on the credit side by moon capital account in sun 20 in star 10,000 and sun 20,000. This is the goodwill entry. Check 2 times. Check 2 times. Okay? And without fail, do journal entry also. Go through the working note, go through the entry, even the posting in capital account. Even the posting in capital account. Okay? Check twice. If you have any doubt, you can definitely do a simple tick mark. But I personally believe it should not be, because this kind of things we already did in past. If you are having doubt, you are always welcome, but that shows you are not doing proper revision. You are not doing proper revision. Barabar? Take care of it. Now, if you are done with this, then let me remove the working note portion. The working note portion. Why is it so? Because I have to utilize the entire one for the working note of closing capital. Okay? So, first of all, let's remove this, and then, till then, even the time I am spending for removing this, you can utilize this time to go through that particular adjustment once, twice. Try to understand what they wanted to say. Try to understand what they wanted to say. They said, I know the adjustment, so I am saying, they said that the remaining partner, moon and star, are agreed to maintain the new capital in the new P&L ratio, that is 5:1. And for this, necessary difference is to be transferred to bank account. Okay? A very good adjustment, huh? Very good. It's not that easy like the previous one. In question 10, they said total capital of old firm and new firm will remain same. Okay? So we kept 3,50,000 if I am not mistaken. So 1,75,000, 1,75,000 equal. It was very, very easy. The difference was 92,000 we transferred to current account. But here in this case, it's not at all easy. Do concentrate. Capital of new firm. Why new firm? Because at the retirement of son, naturally the agreement does not exist yet. Rating 5:1. They say in new ratio, so 5:1. Let me write the same title only. Okay. Now the most important thing. Okay, do one thing. Before you start this, better option, because there is such a topic where there are chances some of you may stuck up, may get confused. So better option, like we did this. First of all, let's close retiring partners capital. So that is also very perfect. Okay. Over here, we'll do it again. First of all, retiring partner, that is son. Son's capital account. Let's close, because there is nothing about son's capital account. No adjustment about it. So on the credit side, 1,80,000 plus 30,000, 2,10,000 plus 20,000, 2,30,000 plus 4,200. Net 2,34,200. And the same amount over here, 2,34,200. Okay? And as there is no clarification, the entire amount is to be taken as loan. 2,34,200 to son's loan. Okay? And on liability side, son's loan 2,34,200. Is that clear? So now at least we are not going to bother anything about this column. Now let's start this. See, if you stuck up in this point, then also if you do like this, you will get full mark of this column because you even transferred the loan also. And each and every correct tick mark obviously valued something. Okay? Now let's continue with closing capital topic. A very good topic. What they say? Capital of new firm 5:1. First of all, what is the capital? That we don't know. Then how can we come to know that which amount is to be distributed in 5:1? Followed? For that, you have to close capital account. You have to close capital account. But close does not mean officially you are writing this. No. Close does not mean like that. Here, we have to find balance of both the partner, moon and star. To find balance of capital account. Okay? Moon. Total of credit side minus total of debit side. Okay? So 1,60,000 plus 30,000, 1,90,000 plus 4,200. So that is 1,94,200. 1,94,200 minus 12,000 plus 20 plus 10, 42,000 equals to the best and easiest way to solve this tough adjustment now equals to, that is 1,52,200. Okay? Star. Credit side 2,30,000, 2,40,000, 2,44,200 minus nothing on debit side, so dash equals to 2,44,200. Okay, this is something else. Let me write debit side, credit side rather. Credit side minus debit side. We are not doing anything else. Okay? Let me write this. Credit minus debit. Okay? So, net overall we are having the total of this balance, that is 396,400 total balance of capital account. Now that means this is the total capital. But what they said, it should be in 5:1. So, therefore, capital of Moon equals to 3,96,400 into 5/6. Capital of Star equals to 3,96,400 into 1/6. Okay, 5/6 and 1/6. So the net amount is 3,30,333 and 66,067. Overall total again 3,96,400. Now this capital is capital of new form. Here 3,30,333 and 66,067. Total 3,96,400. This should be balance carried forward of capital account. So to balance CF 3,30,333 and 66,067. Okay. Now the difference transferred to cash or bank account. Again, let's find out the difference first. Then again I am explaining the entire topic. Okay? Let's find the difference first. Here, obviously, including this, including closing balance. So naturally, debit side total is bigger one. 3,72,333. Same total 3,72,333. Difference 1,78,133 by cash or bank, cash account, bank account, whatever you write. Question mark means difference. For star, here credit side total is bigger one, 2,44,000. We already did over here, 200. The same total, 2,44,200, and the difference on debit side, 2 cash account. Okay, that's why I put lines over here, place over here, space over here, because after balance CF, except total you can't write anything. Okay, so balance CF में ऊपर leave at least 2-3 lines. If needed, you can utilize like this. Here, the difference is 1,78,133. Okay, here this is on debit side, so credit side by Star's capital account 1,78,133. Here it is on credit side. So on debit side, to Moon's capital account, that is again saying 1,78,133. If you ask me that, sir, is there any tweak? Yes. This both amount must be same. 178, 133. Okay? Now, the difference. Here we already closed capital accounts. Okay? We already closed capital accounts. So, cash account. Debit side total must be bigger. That is 3,53,133. 3,53,133. And the difference is 1,15,600 by balance carried forward. The same one, cash or bank account. 1,15,600. Is it clear? Now, nothing left except the total. So, let's do the total and then again we'll revise the closing capital topic. Total of both the sides, 6,40,000. 6,40,600. Here also 6,40,600. Here we completed the entire solution with proper working note. Okay? Now it's your turn. I am definitely going to revise it just now. Not the entire question naturally, but the closing capital topic. Really, it's a very, very good topic. There are so many students I know that they feel that this is really a tough topic. But actually it's not at all. It's a matter of following the things with discipline. With discipline means step by step only. Okay? Want to revise the same? Want to revise? Okay, let's go through. First of all, the adjustment. Here in adjustment they say that closing capital or the capital of new firm, both are same, must be in the ratio of 5:1. Okay? And for that, whatever may be the difference, will transfer to cash or bank account. Clear? The first and important topic is it must be kept in 5:1 because the difference can be calculated by using calculator, but this cannot be. Okay? How to solve? First of all, close everything. This is revaluation. Close. Then close retiring partner's capital account first. So by mistake we are not considering that partner also. We close retiring partner and transfer 2,34,200 as loan. Okay? Only two partners left, Moon and Star. Now, find out balance of capital account. Credit side minus debit side. Moon. Credit side is 1,94,200. This is credit side. Okay? Debit side is 42,000. So net it is 1,52,200. Star. Credit side it is 2,44,200. Nothing is there on debit side. So the difference is 2,44,200. Overall total difference 3,96,400, and that is the capital of new firm. But that is the total capital. We are not going to keep it in this way. We have to keep total capital in 5:1. So let's distribute it. Capital of Moon 3,96,400 into 5/6. Capital of Star 3,96,400 into 1/6. So 3,30,333 and 66,067. I agree, the amount is in point, is in decimal point, but it's very common. Okay, so we can adjust the problem, adjust the digits, figures. Net, it is advisable to do the total to avoid the mistake. 3,96,400. Okay, now this amount is the capital, so we write in balance sheet as capital. Okay, whatever we write as capital must be balance carried forward. So balance carried forward 3,30,333, 66,067. Here we adjusted the first portion, that is 5:1. Now the second portion of the adjustment. Difference is to be transferred to cash or bank account. So close Moon's account. Here the difference is on credit side 1,78,133. This is on credit side. Transfer to debit side. Then starts capital account. Credit side total is bigger, 2,44,200. Same total on debit side. Find out the difference. This difference in this kind of adjustment, the difference must be same. 1,78,133 in both, but it must be on the opposite side. Okay, so one is on credit side, another is on debit side. That means one partner is going to bring 1,78,133 and other partner is going to withdraw 1,78,133. Is that clear? Sure? Okay. At the end, let me give you a trick to find out whether you are correct or wrong. Actually, can I say normally this is the capital? Normally, this is the capital of Moon just by doing the difference. But he has to keep this much. Moon's capital is 1,52,200. But he has to keep 3,30,333. Now find out the difference between these two. 3,33,333 and 1,52,200. It is 1,78,133. 101%. You can check it. Okay? Acha. The same thing in different way. Star. His actual capital is 2,44,200. But due to adjustment, 5:1, due to adjustment, he has to keep 66,067. Find out the difference. Use your calculator. 2,44,200 minus 66,067. You will have the same difference. 178, 133. Okay? If you can get this amount, that shows you are 101% correct. Barabar? I think it's enough today. This is really a very good adjustment. Go through it 2-3 times. Otherwise, after a week, you can check. You are nowhere in this adjustment. Okay? So, take care. Do proper revision of this question. Is it clear? So now, indexation with again something new related to closing capital, but something new. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourself, be happy, and for that, have a nice time.